You're probably looking to buy your S23 Ultra or your S24 Ultra a new case, but you don't want to spend no more than $5. So this here, my friends, is a case for any of these phone models that I just mentioned, and possibly the S25, maybe at the time of this video, it will be available here. You can get these from the Temu site, maybe even Amazon if the seller decides to sell it to you cheaper, maybe Alibaba, AliExpress, and if you have these other sites that sell you cheap products, like maybe eBay. But I personally purchased this for $3.99 from Temu, okay? And I gotta say, fairly impressed with it, but not what I was expecting. So this here is the S23 Ultra phone here, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove it so that you can see it's easy to remove and also easy to put back on. Now, one of the sad or disappointing things is at advertising, it's going to show you rather the back is going to be transparent like this, but not as clear as this, where you can see just about everything on your phone, if you know what I mean. Okay, the material feels really cheap, just so you know, and very thin sides here. Okay, so you're going to be paying around like under $5 for this here. It's got a little kickstand here, which will work better if you have in your phone to prop up like this here instead of this one here, as it sometimes can just slide back suddenly. Okay, but it's up to you to how you prefer to view your phone. Okay, now other than all of that, here at the back you got this little ring here for the wireless charging, and the camera area does get a little extra layer of defense here. I'll go ahead and put it back on for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Again, this is the S23 Ultra. I'm going to apply it. It's really easy to put on, by the way, but it feels like you could just tear in half at any given moment. Okay, so buttons wise, it's gonna give you sort of like a soft, gentle press feel, but I find that sometimes I might need to like really like click it harder than I should. Okay, but it definitely feels like it. You know, you can hear that little clicky for the volume keys, but the power button feels as if like it's stuck or what. Maybe I got a defect one. Maybe that's why this looks like this here. Now on the side here of the cameras, it's not like fully protected. You can see some extra space here. So if that's gonna bug you, then sorry to say, then that's just what it is. The under part here is well protected, and it's got that full square here, corners here. So if it drops on the corner itself, you'll probably get that extra protection. But I did have a case with this material similar to it, and I gotta say it did tear quite easily. It dropped once and it had like a big gash tear right there. Now for the kickstand, in terms of weight support here, it feels like very stiff, so that's good, okay? And you can get yourself like this here, and maybe as far back as this here, before it actually topples over. Now in the landscape view mode here, you can have it like this here, maybe perhaps a bit more prop up like this here, okay? So it's gonna have something similar to like this here, and it holds up pretty well, and I think that's a pretty decent angle to see things. All right, so let's go ahead and unlock this here, and yeah, so as I said, the volumes are kind of clicky and so forth. Right, let's go ahead and look at Temu to see how it looks like before you buy it. So you can see for yourself on the Temu site itself, it's going to have that rather more black layout here, and this is the black colored one. There is different compatible models here, and it's going to tell you one color, but when I did purchase this thing, there was another set of colors, so maybe they're out at the moment here, and it's got all these different this here, I'll show you here to show you which ones you can get it for, but black is the only one. But definitely the price here kind of went down a little bit. It was $3.99 at the time of my purchase. So just so you know how it looks based on advertising versus what you're gonna get in real life. Like and sub.